Today's lesson: blending subjects to background used for photo and video edits, and how to create own green screen overlays. Now let us begin with how to blend your subject to background. Video will play in a few minutes.
Okay, so going back to Picsart, we're going to discuss a very important detail whenever you are starting to edit your photos and also for your videos later. And the reason why we do adjustments with our characters is because to make it fit or blend with our background that we're going to use. So as you can see here, the PNG file that we got from ZEPETO was very bright. So if you're like, for example, you're going to use an image that is like this is just a template for Picsart, so we're just going to use this first. Here in the image section, make sure to use your style or whatever you preferred for your background to look like. Okay, so I picked now my background that we're going to use, and I'm just going to save this first for our reference later on once we're done with our editing. Going back to our PNG file, we're going here to Tools and Adjust, and here you can make adjustments for your ZEPETO characters' colors to make it blend to the background that we're going to use later, which is the beach. So here, as you can see, the clarity makes it more HD looking. So if you're going to use a more high quality or high definition background, you can adjust your clarity up to 100. Since we're just doing the basic, I'm going to use clarity at least 10 and yeah, make adjustments again. So watch here on the right side how I do mine. Now that we added our background, if you're not really that satisfied with your edits or your adjustments earlier, we can do that again by clicking the tools again, and make sure to use the erasing method that we have discussed before to our class. So if you want to adjust the brightness of your person only, not your background, just go again to that erasing button, then choose the category person, so it will only apply to the person. Once you're all settled with all your adjustments, you can now go to other options, and here we can use this mask to make it more realistic. So this mask can be used on the background or to your characters, so whichever your choice. So now we're going to use this sparkle mask. It looks like a sun behind me. And again, use the erasing method and make sure to choose the background. We don't need that kind of bright, so we just need to adjust the opacity of it. And this is how it should look like. Okay, so now I will be adding some stickers to make it more cute because it looks like plain, so I just decided to put on some stickers. So yeah, here what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase some areas that needs to be removed, because the goal here is to look like I'm holding a flower.
Let us now see the results. Before, after.
Now let us try to use a background that you have saved from your gallery. Like for example, I got this mine at Pinterest, and we're going to add another PNG file and make it blend to the background that we're going to use. So let's use other pose, since I got a lot of pic of my ZEPETO wearing this style. So this is the one that I chose, and I'll be doing a very quick edit for this one, so just keep on watching. So again, once you're all done with everything, with adjusting the colors and putting on some mask, we can also add simple filter. So here, as you can see, it makes it more look good. So yeah, it is up to yourself, so you can explore anything you like here and do whatever you like.
Let's see the results. Before, after.
So now let's move to our next topic, and that would be for the video edits. So of course, you need to make an adjustment also for your ZEPETO characters if the background that you will use is darker, because our characters in ZEPETO is always bright. So time to make adjustments and watch how I do mine.
last topic for today, how to create green screens. Video will play in a few minutes.
For you to create your own green screen stickers and stuff, just go here in Instagram and go swipe right. And of course, we all know how to add some stories to our Instagram account. So just click on create, which is the text one, and on the lower right you will see a color, so choose any colors, but mine, I will choose this. And don't worry, since we're not going to fully use this color, because we're going to use this type of color that is found on the drawing section. No need to draw like that, no need. So just press and hold and it will look like this. Then of course we're going to click on the stickers over there next on the drawing section. Then just choose the GIF, and then after that just choose any of here on the trending. For example, we're going to use this good night. And of course, for the last step, just click on save and you will be having this GIF or green screen effect on your gallery. So let's try more so you'll see.
Hectic, seems electric, but I've been waking up with your voice in my head, and I'm trying to send a message and let you know that every single minute I'm without you, I regret it every day.
Here I'm just going to show you the run through on using the green screen that we made on Instagram.
Just to get right, just to be like, look at me, I'm never coming down. I'll work my whole life just to get high, just to realize everything I need is on the ground.
Okay, so that is it for today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new from me today. Bye!